All right, let's see how this turns out here. Going to get us what we want or not. We'll let that dry for a couple of minutes and we'll peel it off and take a look. All right, let's pull it off there and take a gander. I'm not the most artistic guy in the world, but yeah, it's not bad. I was worried about the size of the blocks there. Yeah, I don't know. I have to ask my son about it. Or you guys. I don't know if it's too much or just enough. Add some smaller blocks than these. I think these are half inch blocks on here. I'm pretty sure they are. They're close to it. I don't know. I think it looks all right. Kind of matches the push rod tubes and the rocker boxes anyway. Probably could have gone up another half inch maybe. Maybe slightly higher. We'll see. And then what I'll do is I can just, if I need to move it, I can just wipe this off with lacquer thinner and move it up a half inch. I don't know. It's kind of growing on me where it is right there. Maybe not a half inch, maybe a quarter inch higher. And I'm not sure if I want to do smaller blocks or not. I've got some smaller ones, but this one's kind of growing on me right there. So we'll see. I'm going to send him this clip of this video here so he can tell me he's at work right now.